It felt awfully.
Felt fishy, yeah. Well, day 3 of fishing. Josh, how many fish did you catch?
5 or 6?
5 or 6? Yeah, we threw a couple back, right?
I think
Kept
6.
the big ones?
I'm going to go with 6.
Yeah, I think so. I think I caught 2. Dale caught a big cabezon. That was awesome.
It was a great day.
But, you know, it's a little bit slow fishing today compared to yesterday.
Right.
And we left a lot of fishing lures on the ocean bottom, unfortunately. But but then we're sitting here watching the waves. Going, oh my gosh. It's so swell.
It just feels like
There's still something on it. I wish that was the case. A lot of boats out today again. Definitely the favorable weather forecast, huh?
I got it back.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yes, I did.
Sweet.
I got it. I got lucky.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh, it's not even shoot up. What the heck? Weird. Okay.
There's a couple big boats out here, you can see. Maybe it doesn't look big in the video, but
Take your word for it. They're huge.
should we have like a moment of silence for meditation?
Yeah, right.
I mean, it is pretty nice just sitting here. There's the big boat. It was so foggy this morning, couldn't see but maybe 30 or 40 or 50 yards maybe. Maybe. Big old ship. Maybe I can zoom in on it. It's kind of hard to see how big he is from here.
Would this be the last fishing?
Yeah, I think this will probably be it. I'd be happy just sleeping out here for a week, Dale.
I know, right? I don't think I could sleep in the swell.
No? You don't think so?
I don't think so. I tried that in the swell when it was windy
Oh,
on Lake Jordan. Did not do well.
too much motion.
Yeah.
All right, I better try to catch one more fish.